How you going, Cairns crew? Thanks for all your support today. I reckon we generated over about $1,500 in donations for mates in construction and Rosie's friends on the street. And I got Tristin here from Bennic Safety. We got a little joint venture going for access gear off these guys, best in town. And they're going to do a bit of a draw for us. First prize is $1,000 worth of training here at Pro-Lift. And second prize is a $1,000 fishing shirt, believe it or not. We got 68 people who entered today. And we'll stick them in the Pro-Lift hat and we'll give them a bit of a shake around. First draw is for the fishing shirt. Can't pick our number. Definitely not. He knows his number. What do we got?
Number C40.
C40. Kath. Kath from ASR. Well done, Kath. And one more draw.
23.
Rhys. He's here today. He's one of our students today, Rhys. So well done. We'll make contact with you guys very shortly. And again, thanks Cairns crew for all your support down here at our community fundraiser open day at Pro-Lift Training FNQ.